5 people died in Lwengo district in the last 2 weeks, all in connection with reported land disputes. Some of the victims had reportedly taken refuge with the law enforcement agencies in Lwengo. Damiano Chisitu, a resident of Chiwangala village in Chiseka district, is one of those who have been fighting over land disputes for the past 2 years. Chisitu, who has conflict with one of his brothers, claims that property was passed on to him by their aunt who is still alive.
My aunt gave me that land back in 1982. She even handed me the land title and had the transfer officially gazetted. So as far as I knew, the land was legally and rightfully mine for many years. But when she passed away, I was shocked to discover that in her will, she had left the same piece of land to my brother, who was at the same time named the heir. It was confusing and painful to realize that the very land she had already given to me had again been assigned to someone else in her will.
Unable to resolve the matter, Chisitu sought legal redress in court 2 years ago, but his case has yet to be heard. He tells us that he has been in court 5 times over the 2 years, only for the matter to be adjourned.
When the court visited the site, they saw the evidence and it clearly showed that the land belongs to me. However, yesterday, the magistrate told us that unfortunately there is no state attorney available, so they cannot proceed with the case for now. I explained to the magistrate that this case has taken a very long time. I'm tired of moving up and down to court again and again.
Later, the magistrate explained to Chisitu that the court could not proceed for lack of a counsel and told them that it was the standing issue that stalled their cases.
There are also other places. We have operationalized many cases, but the level of recruitment in the judiciary was or has not been matched with the recruitment in the ODPP. So we have quite a number of courts where we don't have state attorneys, and we have appealed to government and the ODPP to make a case so that we have this recruitment.
Chisitu is not alone. Several people have seen the search for justice frustrated after the court failed to secure the services of a state attorney ever since the district was established in 2010. With the frustration reaching a tipping point, a police officer volunteered to handle lesser crimes. However, he too reached retirement age last year and had to leave. Yisto Kainga Muddu, a human rights activist in Lwengo, says the situation does little to give residents the confidence that the government is concerned about supporting justice in the area.
There are more than 100 cases in Lwengo court, yet there is no state attorney. This situation has delayed justice for many people. Cases continue to pile up while those seeking justice are left waiting for a very long time. This lack of a state attorney has caused frustration among many people in the community. When justice takes too long or seems impossible to get, some people may lose trust in the system, and this can even lead to mob justice.
Lwengo District Council Chairperson Ibrahim Chitata says the court is currently using the former clerk to Lwengo District Council to deal with some cases, but he is also avoiding major cases due to their sensitivity.
We even spoke to our former court clerk and asked him to come and help us with some of the work. He tried to assist where he could, but there's only so much he can do. There are limits to the kind of cases he can handle, and he cannot take on everything. At the same time, there are many cases waiting to be handled in the court. Because of this, many people are still left waiting for justice, and the delays continue to grow.
Asked about this situation, Judiciary spokesperson James Mawanda Eremie says the matter has reached their office and will soon be handled.
We have clearly made a case for getting those state attorneys. We have asked the ODPP and government, including the Honourable Minister, to see to it that we can have state attorneys recruited so that they can be posted to all these places, and we move forward.
Priscilla Regina Naluoga, NTV Tonight.